Okay, so I just come back from putting the boat in the water, which went reasonably successfully. It's usually a bit of a rigmarole that, but it wasn't too bad today. I've got these, which are chimney flue pipes, which I think might be better than those plastic ones I tried last week. That's my new attempt. I'm going to cut these down in a minute, slice them down the middle. Just hope they don't spring apart. They seem a lot stronger. Only problem is that these aren't quite right now, because it's 80mm, which was the correct size, but unfortunately this end is slightly thicker, which I didn't realise so you can join them together, but anyway, but the priority is I want to get this paint on, so let's get that done and I can get this drop light on, and then we're ready for diving. After that, putting the boat in, I think it's definitely time for a brew. Right, so I'm just going to actually cut this first, because I just need something to cover over my tea actually. Right, what I've done, persevered with it. I think we're on wide angle, so I have to come up close. And literally, I just sort of squeezed it like that, and squeezed it back into kind of the correct shape. Deburred it, and it's not too bad now. So I might just give it a try with the velcro. All Velcro on now, so let's just put it that. Well, I mean, it isn't perfect by any means, but I think it would come off. I think that might actually work. I don't like it, but it might have to do. I might just put a couple of elastic bands around there. Let's persevere and drill the holes. Right, I can't think of any way to drill this safely. If I use the mill, I've got to clamp it down somehow, and it'll be a real pest, and it's really thin. It's just a recipe for it catching and flying all over the place. Same with it, if I drill it. And so I'm going to opt for this bodge method, so don't tell anybody about this, alright, because it's really not a good job. Okay, so might work. Got a better idea. Fold it in half like that, and then add the injector for the air in that end. Yeah. I've got to put some mounts for it, so I've just got to get it mounted. So come on, mount it. Might work. I've got to get the hose in it as well. Might persevere.